So we've got two new accessories from Insta360, and these two are amazing and a must buy if you've got any of the cameras. You've got the X3, you've got the Ace Pro, you've got the Ace. Any of them, these would be fantastic options. First of all, we've got the GPS preview remote, and this comes in at £149 in the UK, but it gives you some great features, and I've been so impressed with how responsive the screen is on this device. Especially, I've been using this mountain bike recently, and this is how I've been getting along with it. Okay, so this is a GPS remote. I've got it on my handlebar. You can have it on your wrist. It comes in the box with the wrist mount as well. If you want to wear it on your wrist, you can do. I've got it attached to the Ace, connected to the Ace, sorry. You can see the preview. There's very minimal delay as well, which has really impressed me. It's nearly indistinguishable, the delay. Very, very good. So it's connected via Bluetooth. Not much of a delay at all, as you can see from that. I'm doing a comparison at the moment with the Ace and the GoPro 12, so stay tuned for that one. Make sure you subscribe if you're not. You can tap on here to change it to all the different modes. We're going to go on video. You can change the field of view like so. I'm going to keep it on ultra for this particular purpose. You can change the camera settings, the ratio and the duration, the stabilization, everything like that as well. You can swipe from the right, as like you do on your camera, to change it to auto and manual modes. You can change the EV, the picture profile, white balance and all that kind of thing. So you can do that. You can swipe down and then left for your dashboard, so it tells you what you're doing on your ride. Your compass, which is a great option to have if you're out in the wilderness. You've got a GPS compass, and then you go to settings, and this is basically changing all of the settings on the camera as well. So that's brilliant. So on the top here, you've got the power button and the record button, so you can press record and it is pretty immediate. There's no delay whatsoever. And then we press stop and it turns off. You can hear the actual beep sound. It's totally immediate. And then the power button as well, if you hold the power button down, it'll turn the remote off, or the camera and the remote. So if we hold down this, it'll give you the option on the remote to swipe across to turn the camera off, the remote, or that, so we can turn both off like so, and it'll turn the remote and the camera off. So it's a really great accessory. It's like an extension to your camera. I really do fully recommend it. So it uses accurate GPS data from all the latest satellite technology you can get, so you get really good GPS data. When you import the footage, the GPS data will be bedded in with the footage, so you can go into the app or the desktop studio and add the overlays. It's really simple. They've improved it lately with the update in the studio especially. There's 3 different designs to choose from. You can even design them yourself. You can adjust the colors, you can adjust the size, you can adjust the rotation and everything in there. It's really, really good. So if you're somebody that does moto vlogging, for instance, or you're doing mountain biking and you want to add those GPS overlays to your video, this is the accessory to buy. You can remote control the device from 20 meters away or 65 feet, or you can preview the footage from 8 meters away or 26 feet. So that's the sort of working distance you're sort of going to be working by. I particularly like this charging dock that it comes with in the box. This actually just snaps on the back. You've got this little magnetic mount on the back, and then when you come back and you want to charge this, then you just put it in the dock and it charges it straight away, and then you've got the battery charged up. Battery life is about 6 hours for live preview and up to 60 hours of standby, so the battery life is fantastic. I've been really impressed with it. Also comes in the box with the 2 straps. You can either mount it on your wrist so you can preview your footage when you're wearing it like an Apple Watch, or you can mount it to a handlebar or a selfie stick, and it comes with those 2 mounts in the box, and they're really good as well. This is the one that you put on your wrist. It just sort of slides in there like so. It's basically like having an extension of your camera. The LCD screens on most Insta360 devices I've been really impressed with, and it just works really well. So like swiping left or right, this is a different design that I've been using, and you can go to the settings and you just go through all the different settings that you can customize. You have actually got 3 different designs on the watch, so you can hold it down like you would on an Apple Watch, and it gives you 3 different customizable designs depending on what kind of look you want to go for, that you can choose from for your watch as well. So you're not just bound to the one design. You can hold it down like so, you get a little vibration, and then swipe it to that one if you prefer that one. So that's a great feature as well. So it's a great accessory, really good thought out accessory, again from Insta360. Really helps you get the most out of your camera and makes these things, again, easier to use. I was using it with the Ace Pro, worked perfectly, and you know, when you connect it to the camera, it's connected, and every time you turn it on and off, quick capture works. It really is great. It makes using the camera a lot easier and instant as well. I was really shocked by that, how quickly that it reacted. It's just instant Bluetooth connection. There's no delay in the preview or with the controls as well. Fantastic accessory. So the Motorbike bundle is the next one we want to talk about. This is a must-have if you're a motorbiker, moto vlogger. In the box you get the instructions, you get some sort of wet wipes and screen wipes and stuff, you get a little cloth, you get all of these mounting screws, you get the tools to get it fitted, and you get these two mounts which are adhesive mounts which can sort of fit on your fuel tank or your visor or your helmet. You get two of those in the box as well. But that's not what I was impressed with. I was impressed with this clamp, and I've been after a really good quality action camera mount that didn't move when you went down jumps or you were going over boulders on your mountain bike. Other mounts I've used in the past sort of adjust themselves and they're not quite strong enough. This one is really good quality. It's made of a good quality metal. You got two adjustment points there, so you can rotate it like so, left and right, and then you screw the camera on by the 1/4 inch on the bottom, and it's got this sort of screw feature here which you sort of dial around, and that adjusts the camera on there. So you've got the camera on here, but the best bit is this clamp, because it comes in the box with this little tool where you can sort of clamp it finger tight, and then this tool goes over there like that, and then you can tighten it up really tight, and then that clamp is not coming off your mountain bike. I've used it a couple of times now with the mountain bike, and it's been really good with the Ace Pro, for instance. So you could add another selfie stick on the top of here if you wanted to, and the camera on top of there. It's a really good quality, heavy duty clamp for all kinds of action sports. But like I said, it's designed for motorcycles, so it's really strong. But I've been using it with my mountain bike, and I've been after something like this for a while now. This is a great accessory. So again, two great accessories from Insta360, making your cameras easy to use. Fully recommend them. If you do want to grab either of these accessories, there'll be links in the description down below. Those are affiliate links, but you don't have to purchase through those links. But if there's any discount codes as well, I'll link them in the pinned comment down below as and when they're updated. Okay, great accessories, fully recommend them. That's it for this one. I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.